Want to get more from your camera? This Canon DSLR takes photos and videos in high definition, so you can capture memories in outstanding quality. Guided mode allows you to build your confidence and learn new skills as you shoot. Learn the features a pro would use, shoot landscapes, portraits, sports, macro and more. Switch to the Creative Auto mode and you're shown an on-screen interface, guiding you through different functions and settings. Tackle any scene with confidence. 3 frame per second continuous shooting and fast autofocus helps capture the perfect shot without the worry of blurry images. Backup, transfer and share your stories. Alongside Wi-Fi, the Canon Connect app allows you to pair with compatible devices. This Canon camera makes photography simple. With guidance and DSLR power, you can take stunning pictures and videos. Even in tricky setups, you can get great photos out of your camera and shoot quickly with confidence. With the power of DSLR and interchangeable lenses, you can take photos and movies seamlessly to get the best out of your creativity. You can connect your camera up without any of the usual hassle, so you can shoot, share and keep on the move. With the power of DSLR and interchangeable lenses, you can take photos and movies seamlessly to get the best out of your creativity. Interchangeable lenses let you find the perfect fit for this Canon DSLR camera, so you can shoot practically any subject or landscape perfectly. An 18-megapixel sensor captures a spectacular level of detail, which allows you to shoot professional-looking pictures as well as sharp Full HD videos. Bring your subject to life in any lighting. With the Canon Connect app, you can wirelessly pair the camera with your smartphone, allowing you to transfer, share and back up from the palm of your hand. Turn your phone into the perfect shooting companion. Creative Auto Mode offers useful guidance and on-screen previews to help you line up and capture your perfect shot. Ideal if you're stepping up into more serious photography, you can get perfect results with ease. The fast autofocus and processing on this DSLR camera from Canon ensures that you can capture clear images no matter what in a flash.
I'm always on the lookout for new ideas. So if I see something that inspires me, a colour, a shape or whatever, I always try and take a photo. Photography is really important to me because it's how I share my work in progress with clients and promote my work on my blog or Instagram. Sometimes in the past I've used phone cameras, and although they're obviously convenient, they're not ideal for my work. It's incredibly easy sharing the images from my DSLR onto my phone, and that's important to me because I send reference photos to my team back at the studio to work on when I'm out and about, which saves a lot of time. The most obvious difference between using a DSLR and using a phone is that the images have much more detail in them, and even in low light it produces really accurate, beautiful pictures. And now I can get background blur in my shots for a really nice, professional look. I find using a DSLR really easy and straightforward. It's also very versatile because you can get extra options like interchangeable lenses, which is perfect for me as I take a lot of close-up photos. It's not just about producing photos that look professional to clients. The 4000D lets me create images that look exactly the way I want, and that makes my work look even better.
We don't wanna grow